Hello and welcome to the ISO 9001-2015 Awareness Training Program. In today's session, we'll begin with Lesson 1, Introduction to ISO 9001-2015. This lesson is especially important for anyone involved in quality control, production, or compliance within the textile and garments industry. Let's begin by looking at what you learned today. You will learn the fundamentals of ISO 9001-2015, including what ISO 9001-2015 is and why it matters, its relevance in textile and garment production, the key features that define the standard, simple definitions to help you understand common terms, and best practices for implementation in your factory. By the end of this session, you'll have a strong foundation in ISO 9001-2015 and how it supports quality in your daily work. So, what exactly is ISO 9001-2015? It's an international standard for quality management systems, also known as QMS. This standard helps organizations ensure they consistently meet customer requirements and continuously improve product and service quality. It was published by the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO, which develops global standards to support safety, efficiency, and quality across industries. Why is ISO 9001 so important in our industry? Because it helps us produce consistent, high-quality garments, reduces waste, mistakes, and costly rework, builds buyer trust and encourages repeat business, ensures compliance with export and buyer requirements, and most importantly, it supports a culture of continuous improvement inside the factory. This makes ISO 9001 not just a certificate, but a competitive advantage. Let's look at some key features of ISO 9001-2015. It's applicable to any size of organization from small workshops to large export factories. It encourages a process approach, which means focusing on how work is done, not just the end result. It promotes risk-based thinking to help us identify and fix issues before they affect quality. There's a strong customer focus. Everything is designed to improve customer satisfaction. And it emphasizes continual improvement, meaning we should always look for ways to get better. Here are a few simple definitions you'll come across often. QMS, a structured system to manage and improve quality. Non-conformance, when a process or product doesn't meet the set requirement. Audit, a review to see if systems are working as planned. Corrective action, the steps we take to fix a problem and stop it from happening again. Understanding these terms will help you follow the ISO process more easily. Let's go over a few best practices when applying ISO 9001 in garments. Make sure all staff receive basic training on quality expectations. Keep procedures simple, visual, and accessible. For example, using posters on the sewing line. And remember, ISO is not just for certification, it's a tool to improve processes and reduce errors in your factory. Summary of Lesson 1. ISO 9001-2015 is an international quality management standard. It's essential for creating consistent, high-quality garments. The system helps bring discipline and structure into your daily factory operations. And it focuses on customer satisfaction, risk management, and continual improvement. This knowledge sets the foundation for more detailed learning in the next sessions. We hope this session gave you a clear understanding of what ISO 9001-2015 is and why it matters, especially in the garment and textile sector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss future lessons. See you in Lesson 2, Understanding Quality Management Systems.